Let's go on YouTube. Today we're just gonna do a nice little POV drive. Now when talking about the Cataclean did work before you get inspections, so it does take out the engine light, but the engine light should still be in the system. So for my code, PJ 430 for Bang 2 catalytic converter, the precat, the engine light does come on and off once in a while. So on my side, I do think that the Cataclean did work, because I did gain about like 2 or 3 miles MPG for city and highway. So yeah, I guess it is efficient. If I do continuously keep doing it every like 6 months, is what Cataclean says that is supposed to do the procedure. Hopefully the precats get better. If not, I'm gonna have to look into new ones. Because honestly, I think just getting PCDs, precat deletes, just gonna make the car stink. So I'm leaning more towards high flow precats. I'm pretty sure Tuxedo makes one. And there's also one for, I can't get at the top of their head right now. I think there's also, what's the name? There's also RV6 that makes the high flow precats. I'm leaning more towards the RV6 because there's not much information nor reviews anywhere for the Tuxedo high flow precats. That's the Q50. I don't know. I might lean more towards precat deletes if I am. Because for New York, I think you need to have precats or just catalytic converters in general. So what you could do if you want to get precat deletes is there is a sensor that acts as an O2 sensor, it's like an adapter, and that fools the systems, saying that you have a catalytic converter precats. So once you install that adapter, I don't think it really affects the engine light. So yeah, hopefully that should be here. By next summer, hopefully. Because right now I'm not really trying to spend that much money. I might need transmission and motor mounts for this one right here. Because let's say if I'm going like 7,000 RPMs or even redline in the highway, the whole car shakes when it shifts. So come on, let me go. And also, I think my precats are done, because these days, I don't know if it's the exhaust, the muffler deletes, which I don't think it really makes a big difference, but for like the past 3 months or so, I'll be getting burbos on this car. Like, you have to step on the gas, and if you let go, like that, I just woke up, so my brain's not really braining right now. So if you let go like that, it just burbles. So I think it's 50% the pre-cats, if not maybe even a third cat that's done for too. So I just need to replace all 3 cats. Speedway, I also used to get gas from Speedway. I also used to get gas from Speedway until I found out that they're apparently one of the most, actually the top worst gas stations that you could get from, because they have 10% ethanol stuff. You guys heard that little click? Yeah, it's definitely like a heat shield or something. I get those goosebumps every I'm in a little bit of predicament. I got into another car. My car is right there. I'm driving a U-Haul. So I enjoyed that for a little. Oh damn.